Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Daily Math. Here we have a geometry problem. Paper rectangle, we fold it a few times and it becomes something like a paper plane. Now we want to find the area of this paper plane. So let's see how we can solve it. This is the final shape. We are going to draw a line here, dividing the shape into a rectangle and a triangle. We know the base here is 6. And the only thing we want to find is this part so that we can calculate the area of the rectangle, and then we can find the height for the triangle as well. Okay, now in the first shape, this is 3 and this whole part folds here. Let's call this ABC. AC works as a mirror, so the segment AB becomes this. Let's call this one D. AD equals AB equals 3. And now B is a right angle, so this is a right angle as well. So basically you have a square here. That means DC is 3, BC is 3 as well. And AC is 3 square root 2, found by Pythagorean theorem. Now in the second shape, the challenge is to find the length of CE. We can use our instinct to say CE is the same size as AC, but this is geometry. We can't just guess. We must prove it. So this time the segment AE works as a mirror, because we are folding the paper, right? And everything goes to the other side. That means AC comes here as well, and let's call this point F. And AF equals AC equals 3 root 2. And then we have FE, same size as CE. Now let's also draw FC. So the triangle AGC is congruent with the triangle AGF because of the folding situation. That means these two angles are equal. Let's call them alpha. These two angles are equal and they must be right angles. So in the triangle AGF, the angle F is 90 minus alpha. And in the triangle CDF, the angle C1 is 90 minus the angle F, and then the angle C2 is 90 minus the angle C1, that's 90 minus 90 plus the angle F, that's equal to the angle F, that is 90 minus alpha. So the angle C2 is 90 minus alpha. That means the angle E is 90 minus the angle C2, that's 90 minus 90 plus alpha, that's equal to alpha. Okay, finally, E is alpha, this one is alpha as well. That means the triangle AGC is congruent with the triangle EGC, and that means AC equals EC. So EC is 3 root 2. Now EG is CG, that's 5 minus CE, 3 root 2. Area of the rectangle, 6 times 5 minus 3 root 2, that's 30 minus 18 root 2. And the area of the triangle above that is 1/2 base, base is 6 times height, height is 8 minus EG, that's 5, and this one becomes positive, 3 root 2, 3 times 3 plus 3 root 2, and it's 9 plus 9 root 2. So the total area is sum of these two, 39 minus 9 root 2. Now this is the final answer, and that's it for this video. Tell me in the comments if you solved it in any other way. See you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.